Hi first graders, welcome back to math class again with Miss Six. Today is Thursday, November 12th, 2020. Our objective says today I will be able to identify the unknown number in a subtraction equation. Ooh, I had a lot of signs in that. So today we're going to identify, which means figure out, to find the unknown number. That means we don't know it. And then we're doing a subtraction number sentence. Okay, so I have a cool little video to show you, and we're only going to watch part of this. But this is telling us what subtraction with a missing number means. Sometimes it can look confusing, so this video is going to help us try to draw dots to figure out our answer.
We're going to have to find, and this time we are going to have missing parts in here. We're going to have to find what we have to take away to get the answer. So just looking at this, we have a 3, and we're taking away some number we don't know yet, and that's going to be equal to 1. So we're going to have 1 left over. Because remember that subtraction is taken away. So over here is the amount that we have at the beginning, and then this area is where we take them away. The number here tells us the amount that we will take away, and this is how many that's left over. So let's look at this. So we have 3, and here's the 3. Here are the 3, and we're going to take away some, and we're going to have 1 left over. So we want to have 1 left over in the answer. So just by looking at this, so we have 1, 2, 3, and we're going to take away some, and we're going to have 1 left over. So let's think about this. To have 1 left over, these 2 have to be gone. So these 2 have to be taken away so we can have this 1 left over. So that means these 2 should be gone to have this 1 left. So that means 3 minus, or 3 take away 2, those 2 red ones, is equal to 1. And here,
Okay, so we could see with the dots, I like how this video shows us and explains, this is how many I start with, this is how many I end with. The number right here, we don't know it, it's going to be missing. So we can figure that number out by, we will see how many we need to take, how many we're going to have left over. Okay, that video really shows us a good explanation. This number in the front is how many I have to start with. This number over here is how many I have to end with. So I need to figure out how many I'm taking away for me to end up with this number. So let's look at this one. This says 4 take away something equals 2. So here we have 4 dots, and I know I'm going to have 2 left over. So I'm going to circle the 2 that you want to end up with. How many will you have to get rid of? I have to get rid of this one and this one. How many is that? 1, 2. I had to get rid of 2 to end up with 2. There we go. So let's try some more. And this time I'm going to also give us some examples to go with the problem so it makes it easier to understand. So my problem, my number sentence says 6 minus something, unknown, equals 4. So let's pretend I had 6 dolls, LOL dolls. I gave away some. Now I have 4 left. And I want to figure out how many did I give away? If I started with 6, now I have 4. How many did I give away? Okay, so let's try to solve this. I started with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw your dots. And let's see, let's circle. Instead of starting with Xing out, we're going to start with circling. I want to end up with 4 dolls. So circle 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a square around it. How many will I have to X out? 1, 2. So 6 take away 2 equals 4. And you can even see in the picture, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dolls, I need to, and I want to have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I would need to take away 2 to get 4. There we go. Let's try another example. I have 12 students. 8 students are on Zoom. How many are not on Zoom? 12 students all together, that's what I start with. And I'm missing some students. I want to know how many I'm missing. So let's see. Let me draw 12 dots on your paper. And then I ended up with 8. So let me circle 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this part can get tricky if you have a lot of numbers, a big number. When you're circling it, it can get tricky. But there. So how many do I need to take away? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, 4. So I'm missing 4 students in my Zoom class. There, we can solve it. I earned 20 stickers. I have 12 left. That means I used some. How many stickers did I already use? Let's see. 20 stickers to start with. Here's 20 Lion King stickers. And I used up some. So I only have 12. How many did I already use? So let me draw 20 dots. That's a lot of dots. And then I'm going to circle what I have left over. I have 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Circle that. That's how many I have left. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I used 8 stickers already. 8. There we go, that's better. And so on your pear deck, I want to be seeing that you're drawing the dots, you're circling first, and then you're Xing out that unknown number. So you're going to be using the dot method where we're drawing our dots. And here you have 3 problems, so 3 slides on pear deck. So let's see how you do. And I can't wait to see your finished assignments on pear deck. Remember, the more drawing and writing that you do, the better I can tell if you're understanding it and the more points you get on your assignment. I'll see you really soon on Zoom. Y'all have a great day. Bye.